Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday everyone. It's another Sunday. It's another selling day. So, it's currently 6:41 ng umaga and nandito tayo ngayon sa labas ng Milton Studio kasi magbibenta na naman tayo. I look very warm guys. Tingnan nyo. Suot-suot ko yung binili ko from AliExpress na tawag dito, yung knitted na top. Pero naka shorts. But this is pretty warm. Punong-puno na naman ang ating sasakyan. Ate Paris is there. Warm and cozy. Tingnan niyo, sabi niya, Mami, can I bring the blanket? So, ayan, yung blanket siya. Even though may heater sa loob ng sasakyan, guys. Still a bit cold na lang. So, early this morning, Daddy Mike put everything in our car, guys. Yan. May mga bagay-bagay siya na nilagay na hindi na dapat sana ilagay, but siguro nakita niya na akala niya na din, gusto kong dalhin. So, binitbit din niya. Sa likuran is also full. We got 2 luggages on the back. Okay, honey. Are you ready for today? Oh, exciting day today. Later today. Who's coming? Yeah. Lolo Jeff's coming, guys. Pero mamayang hapon pa darating yung daddy ni Daddy Mike. So, 5:50 or 6, mga ganun. So, it's okay magbenta kami kasi mamaya pa naman pick upin sa airport. But yesterday, we spent the whole day cleaning and it feels much better when the house is clean. Tsaka lang talaga siya parang malinis na malinis kapag may darating, guys. Kasi minsan very messy. Alam niyo naman yung mga kids.
Mama?
Yes, honey?
I had a busy day yesterday. I did gymnastics. I went to the play center.
Mm-hmm.
The play center at Daddy's gym.
Yeah, you're a busy girl, aren't you?
Especially on the Sunday. Saturday.
Saturday, you do your gymnastics?
And sometimes I used to go to a play center. Even today, even on the Sunday.
Yeah.
Busy.
Alright. So, gonna get out. Outfit check muna tayo, guys. So, ito ang aking suot. Madilim ba? And then, white shorts. And then, sneakers ako. Aking New Balance na sneakers. And then, ganito lang. Para warm. Galing?
Hi, guys.
Kiniginaw si Inday. So, ito muna yung dala ko, guys. Kasi, maghihintay pa yata kami sa bus. Lucky they have the coffee truck here now. Oh, yeah, it's okay. We can go in actually, So, tingnan nyo, Linya for more.
So we're in stall 13 today. And we're really early. There's Mom just putting the stuff on the shelf. Like this.
Finish, guys. Lapit ang mag-aluna. Oh my God. Dami nyo ay nangyayari. We are rushing kasi alam nyo ba, may invitation kasi sa Ate Paris ng birthday party ng kanyang friend today. So, sabi ko nga sa kanya kagabi, sabi ko, gusto mo, magstay ka na lang dito sa bahay, ako na lang yung magbenta. Para madala siya ng tatay niya ba doon sa birthday. But, naaawa man siya sa akin eh. Gusto niya talagang sumama sa akin kasi naaawa siya sa akin. Ako naman, naaawa sa kanya. Sinasabi ko na, okay lang si mama anak. Gusto ko kasing mag-enjoy siya ba? Kasi birthday party ng kanyang kaibigan. And kasi yung birthday party hanggang 12, hanggang 2 o'clock lang guys. And it's nearly 1. And then so have to drive home. So I'm not sure. So, sa park lang naman siya malapit sa amin. But hindi ko alam kung makakayanan namin. But at least I'll try na dalhin siya doon. And pero mag-stop pa kami ng bahay kasi kailangan pang I don't know kung i-unload ba to first. At nasa bahay yung regalo. So, I don't know kung i-unload tapos kasi wala na talagang time. So, maybe, na lang, bitbitin ko to siya doon. Tapos, kasi may kaibigan naman kami doon, yung best friend niya, Alan doon. Siguro yung anuhan ko muna siya sa nanay ni Irene. Para makapag, siya. Come here. Like, kahit kunti ba, before sila mag-end. Thank you for coming with me today. Kasi sabi sa akin namin kung maybe quicker. Sabi ko, anak, kung kaya ko lang talagang mag-quick, ay, ginawa ko na. Kaya lang, isa lang katawan ko eh. Tapos, Daddy Mike din, din sa bahay kasi darating tatay niya ngayong hapon. So, we are like full on. Anyways, hindi ko alam kung magkano yung kita namin.
Hey guys,
Mamaya.
can I show you something? So, I want to show you something. So, these are my little best friends. They're twins. Alright, where did it go? Oh, there he is. I'll show you that one right there. Right there. The second one, it's this little guy. Sorry. And here's the oldest. There's the oldest. It's really, sorry guys, it was really sunny. So, see you later.
Finally, we made it here guys. Nandito kami sa birthday. Kakapark ko lang at tingnan nyo ang ating ate. Oh my God. We were rushing. Tingnan nyo, gisingin ko yan. Para maka-enjoy siya. Andyan sila, oh. Ate! Ate! We're here. Ate! Are you okay? Okay. So, itidrop ko lang to siya. And then, I'll go home, unload this car. And then, get the person and pick up Celine. And then, balik kami. Beautiful girl. Hi. Love you. Just turn this off. Excited? Did you have a good nap?
Sleepy.
I know. You're gonna have fun. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's go.
Listen like that.
Did Daddy buy you one?
No. No? He didn't.
Just hi guys.
Hi guys.
Kiss mommy. Did you miss mama?
And
I love you so much. I love you so much, Malini.
like
Okay, I'll put you in the car seat. Come on. And then Daddy and Mama will unload the car. Okay? Put you in there first. Show me your face. Have some. Here, here. Good girl. Are you eating? Do you like it? Apple? Do you want more? Okay. Happy birthday to you! Hooray! Hooray!
What a cake!
Why not?
I said one.
Look at the cake. Good girl eating strawberry, ate. Oh, sorry, ate.
Where's my balloon?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Big smile, funny face. Give me a funny face. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Thank you. Peace. Funny face for me. Nice girl.
So I'm done with the vacuum, guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa car wash. Okay. Which one are we gonna go? I think we'll do the 20. Oh, nagmahal na siya ha. Tap-tap na siya ngayon eh. Before, may card ginagamit. Select wash type on card reader. Okay.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Wow. Nag-upgrade na sila, guys. Laser wash. Before kasi, kung nakita nyo, kami dito, yung parang map. Yung, cloth ba? So, ngayon, iba na. Now, 5 o'clock ng hapon, guys. And, i-ready namin yung mga kids kasi pupunta na kami ng airport. We're going to see. Who are we gonna see? Who are we going to see?
I don't know.
Baby Celine haven't seen Lolo Jeff as yet. So,
Lolo
this will
Jeff.
be the first time, this is the first time that you're going to see your Lolo.
Lola Jeff. Lola Jeff. Lola Jeff. Say Lola Jeff.
I'm so hungry. No, Lulu, not Lulu. Daddy cooked this one last night. And
I don't like it.
not for you, it's from mommy.
Mommy, we're going in the apple.
We are going to the airport. We're going to see Lolo Jeff. You go choose your clothes na go.
Lola Jeff.
Lulu.
I told you.
Lulu, not Lola. Lulu. Go choose your dress.
Lolo Jeff.
The nice one that Lolo Jeff will like. Go.
What he likes?
Guess what he likes. Just, choose the nice one, okay?
Why? Why,
It's
Mom?
nice for Lolo Jeff because it's your first time meeting him.
Why eating him?
No, first time meeting, not eating. Not eating. Come, let's go to the bedroom.
No, you're not coming with me on my bedroom.
No, I'll go with you because we're going to choose your dress. So Daddy Mike has been cleaning dito sa labas, guys, while I was selling before. Ayun, sa malinis na siya. And then yesterday, I spent my whole day, my whole afternoon actually, cleaning this room. So, kasi dito magstay yung papa niya ba. So, ayan, I changed all the sheets yesterday, vacuum, and organize all my bags there. And then, si Inday ay pipili ng damit na kanyang susuotin.
He's like this.
Yeah, do you think he'll like that?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, we'll wear that one then. How about you get your nappy? Go get your nappy from the other room so we can put it on. Good girl, Celine. See, I organized this as well, yung mga damit nila. And this top here, kasi before, napaka-messy guys. Kasi nilagay ko na yung mga clips nila, hair clips. Ito yung, may ibang paninda natin nandiyan. And then dito, before, nagka-ramutsing ni dito guys. Kasi, na-mix yung mga damit ni Ate Paris, tapos yung mga costumes. So, ito lahat, mga costumes yan ni Baby Celine, ha? Tingnan nyo. Lahat. Yes, Baba. Thank you, my love. I'm not choosing. I'm just showing Tita and Tito. Yeah, this one. Louis! Gentle, anak. And then, yung mga, mga damit ni Ate Paris, guys, ay nilagay ko ito, diba? Mas, organized siya. And then, mine up here. Thank you, my love. In the lunch room. In the bathroom. Come on, Palangkoy. Then, Ate, you change your clothes to Ate. Kasi magdi-dinner din kami, guys. So, we'll go straight to dinner after namin pick upin yung tatay niya kasi late na.
Mom, this is my bomb. My dad has nappy.
Uy! Put the nappy on.
Put the nappy on. You put my nappy on. You poo. You blah, poo, baby. You pocket. You scary pocket. You scary pocket. You scary pocket. I'm not scary pocket. You scary pocket.
There!
Yep. Am I good? Lola, Jeff, are you cool, poo?
I think it's going to be cold.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Louis, stop.
Woba, if mommy come back. S-O, mommy come back. Mommy's a poo.
Are you a robot?
Yes, I am. I'm not talking.
You're talking like a robot.
I'm talking about robot. It's mom and mommy's a robot.
Murphle!
I'm not a
You're
robot.
not Murphle.
Mommy's
Murphle turned into something
big.
Hello, where's my bag lang?
Not here. Robot.
Mag-coat na tayo
Mommy-
kasi maginaw na.
Mommy, you're stuck.
Design pa na yung outfit, guys. Kaninang
You
maga.
saying that me.
Yeah. Careful, anak ba?
Careful, mama.
Careful, anak ba?
You broke it. After you broke
Now, can you remember that? What's pillow?
what you?
Makpi. Anak. Still very dirty lang. Wait. Oh my goodness.
I see Lola Jeff.
Lolo,
Mama.
lagi. Not Lola. Baby, stop.
I say it already. Lola F.
Anak. Saan ka lang? Marang makagnamuha sa
Popo.
kaldero. Can you say kaldero?
Popo? Where?
Lili, can you say kaldero? Kaldero.
That's the mommy. Mommy's robot. And she's a robot.
Put your
Celine.
shoes on. Paris, put your shoes on.
I'm not listening to you.
I love you so
can
much.
listen to you. And a robot.
Are you excited to see little Jeff?
Yes.
What are you gonna say when you see him?
Hello.
It's Halloween.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
It's Halloween.
We'll take your shoes. Airport na kami. Kakapark lang namin, guys. Ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping beauty man. So we will take the lift. Let's go in here. Let's go there. Right up. Oh, that one's going down as well. Let's go. Thank you. Come on. Come on, Celine. Hello. We're gonna go see Lolo Jeff now.
Carry it.
Okay, buddy.
Are you walking? You want to see you walking because you never seen you walking before.
And you go run to him. He probably doesn't understand Lolo. Does he understand Lolo? Oh, there, Daddy. I can see the back of the head. Yeah. Grabe talaga ako, guys, no? Kasi alam na alam ko, likod pala.
I can't see it.
That is also nervous. Sobrang tagal na kaya. What's that? What's that? Hi, Paris. Oh, you guys. Oh, so good to see you. Oh my God. You're shy. You're shy.
I'm bigger than
What's that, Lee? What's that?
I've got lots of treasure.
Oh, we're having dinner here. You just sleep in the car?
Excuse me.
Patapos lang namin kumain, guys. Meron kaming pera. Show your money, Daddy. Binigyan kami ng tatay ni Daddy Mike. Tatay ni Daddy Mike are rich.
I guarantee you're going to win.
Yeah?
I'll lose straight away.
Yung mga kids, where did you take the kids there?
To the play center.
Yeah, may play center kasi dito sa kinainan namin. So, they will play for half an hour and then we'll go home.
23 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Ano sila dito, guys? So, ano kasi to? This is pub.
This part? This is the sports bar.
Oh,
It's like where you watch all the sports.
sports.
And drinks.
Hey, it's okay, then bark.
He's a poodle.
Beetle!
We can. Since we're the oldest, we can. That's all right.
Paris, come on. Lolo's waiting. Left or right?
Left.
Oh. Oh, what do you say to Lolo, Jeff?
Thank you.
Lily,
Heavy!
what do you say?
It's so heavy.
What do you say? Oh my goodness.
Heavy.
Look, show me. Show me what's inside.
Too heavy.
Show me.
I'm trying to reach.
Here. Here's the zipper. Oh, wow. Wow. Say thank you. Open? Okay. Open. You open. Louis, it's okay.
Oh, it's mine.
Wow, that's heavy. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh my goodness, lady.
That's how much
You're rich. You're rich.
you can share.
Want me to open? What's inside? Show me, lady. Oh. And now it's okay, it's for you. See, Auntie got hers. That's for you.
I thought she liked them.
She does. Open it up. Open it up, Mama.
Other one, yes. How many? Oh my goodness.
What one is
There's a lot. Oh, who's that?
this?
Elsa.
That's cute.
Wow, thank you.
That's mine.
Yeah, it's
You
yours.
wanna wear it?
This.
Show.
I'm gonna touch
She thought she would only have one, so she's like, oh, another one.
There's three. There's something else in there too. It's a little bit big.
Open it.
Oh,
Oh, wow. This one, what's this one?
I can't see it. That's a unicorn.
Unicorn.
That's the Broncos and Virgin.
Wow, that's nice.
Wow. What do you say?
There's another one in there.
What's this one? Mickey.
There's another present in there for you. You got one when you were a baby once.
That's a unicorn.
Open. Open.
Want me to help you? No. Okay.
What did you say? Here's a poodle.
Putol. Putol.
Spanning his ears.
Ooh,
Got
it's
put
stuck.
his hair.
That's
He was
right.
spending-
Want me to help you?
He's no toy dog though. He's going to be big. Well, we won't be much bigger than what he is, but he'll fill out.
Lily.
I already got you one, and you got that as well.
Wow. What is that? Hang on. Don't pull it. Gentle, gentle. Do you want it on? You have to take off your other one. Do you want it on? Wow. Thank you. Say thank you, little Jeff.
Thank you, Lola.
You're welcome.
Oh, this.
Lola.
You. Yeah. Look, it's a cross.
Ooh, nice, Celine.
Paris. Wow.
But only outside, okay?
Yeah.
And that's why you need the markers.
Only outside.
Oh, wow, Lenny. Oh my God, it will take one day for you to finish that.
That's all right, I can do that.
Mine.
That's acrylic, so you use water with that. It's not oil.
Yeah, Paris loves that.
That's the best. What's that?
A drawing pad.
It's a pad. Yeah.